Have you ever wondered if your pet cat, dog, or even the birds in the sky have an inner consciousness similar to ours? Or are they merely living out patterns hardwired by nature with no awareness of their own existence? Welcome to Reality Radar, a channel where we explore the big questions about the world around us. Today we're talking about a fascinating hypothesis called the Sphexishness Hypothesis. This hypothesis says that animals are driven solely by instinct and lack consciousness. The Sphexishness Hypothesis, a term coined by the philosopher Daniel Dennett, posits that animals may not possess consciousness as we humans understand it. Instead, they may be like the Sphex wasp, executing complex behaviors based on instinct alone. Sphexishness, then, is the idea of being trapped in a loop of repetitive, instinctual behavior with no awareness or understanding of the actions being performed. This hypothesis gains support from scientific observations of animal behavior. Take the Sphex wasp itself, a creature that performs a seemingly conscious ritual before laying its eggs. The wasp drags a paralyzed cricket into its burrow, leaves it to check the surroundings, and then returns to lay its eggs. However, if the cricket is moved while the wasp is away, it will repeat the entire process over and over again, suggesting a lack of awareness and adaptability. Behavioral psychologists have also pointed to the fixed action patterns observed in many animal species, from the mating dances of birds to the defensive posturing of threatened reptiles. These behaviors are consistent within a species and do not change based on individual learning or experience, suggesting they are hardwired, not conscious responses. Cognitive neuroscientists have weighed in on this debate as well. Despite similarities in brain structure between humans and other animals, they argue that consciousness requires a level of cognitive complexity that may not exist in non-human animals. This lack of cognitive complexity, they suggest, results in Sphexish behavior. In summary, the Sphexishness hypothesis proposes that animals, like the Sphex wasp, are driven solely by instinct, lacking the self-awareness or consciousness that humans possess. This theory is supported by behavioral observations and neuroscientific research. However, the question of animal consciousness remains a contentious and fascinating area of study. Perhaps one day we will uncover the mysteries of the animal mind, but until then, we can only observe and wonder. Subscribe to Reality Radar for more videos that explore the big questions about the world around us.